everyone. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we all know that Valentine's Day is approaching, and definitely we'll have to get ready for our loved ones. And to be very true, Valentine's Day doesn't mean that we'll have to be in a romantic relationship with our girlfriends or boyfriends. It's all about love. Valentine's Day is all about love. Be with the person whom you love, be it your family, friends, or even self-love, and do whatever you love. And as you all know that I love to do makeup, so that's why I created this beautiful makeup look. And this makeup look is versatile. You can create this for any occasions or party look. And as you can see, I created golden eyes with red bold lips. And in order to complement this overall look, I wore this beautiful white dress and with this sort of earrings. And as you can see the hair, I did normal bun, and I just curled the leftover hairs and I just did a puff. So let's move on to the main tutorial without any further delay. And also, if you are new to my channel, then definitely take a moment to subscribe to my channel